Good morning from Grand Plain Farm. It's July 10th, 2025, and it's about 10:50 in the morning, and it's about 78 degrees. A lot of blue in the sky today. Sun shining. A little bit windy. Yeah, it's been hot. So the pigs been dumping their water out. It's pretty muddy in here. Gone for a couple days, and so I don't know. I made a bigger mess with mud over here. Of course, Edith isn't happy with that one mud hole of hers. She had to make another one. She's way over there eating. That pig, Edith, be nice.